Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. I'm going to be helping you today with Module 4, Lesson 29. This is Part 2. We are going to start with Exercise 3. You should have had a chance to work on this, get an answer. And I'm going to show you the correct answer so you can check how you did. So here's the situation. The art teacher, Mr. Gonzalez, is preparing for a project. In order for students to have the correct supplies, Mr. Gonzalez needs 10 times more markers than pieces of construction paper. So we're going to start making our list. We're going to have markers and construction paper, and we need to assign a variable to these things. And these are supplies, so I'm just going to call it S. So the number of markers is 10 times the number of construction paper. So if we call construction paper S, then markers has to be 10 times S, or 10S. Okay, let's keep going. He needs the same number of bottles of glue as construction paper. Same glue as construction paper. So glue is going to also be S. Okay, back to the problem. Number of scissors required for the project is half the number of construction paper. Okay, so now we have scissors, and it's half of the construction paper. Well, construction paper is S, so we're going to have half of S for scissors. All right, now I'm going to write myself an equation. I'm going to take all of my supplies, the markers, 10S, plus the construction paper, that's S, plus the glue, that's S, plus the scissors, that's 1/2 of S. And when you add all those up, it equals all of the items, which is 400. Now let's take a look. We've got S for a variable here. Here's another S. Here's another S. And here's another one. So we can add all of those together. And when you do that, you get 10 plus 1 is 11, plus 1 is 12, plus 1/2 is 12.5. So we get 12.5S is equal to 400. And when we isolate S by dividing by 12.5, we get S is equal to 32. So S is 32. That means the number of construction paper is 32. The amount of glue is 32. The amount of scissors is half of 32, which is 16. And the amount of markers is 10 times 32, which is 320. And there is exercise 3. Okay, let's go to exercise 4. I'm going to pause it, or have the teacher pause the video, and you answer it, and then come back and I'll show you the correct answer. All right, so here we are with the correct answer. Number 4, the math teacher, Mrs. Zentz, is buying appropriate math tools to use throughout the year. She's planning on buying twice as many rulers as protractors. Okay, so I need rulers, I need protractors, and let's call these tools, or T. If I have T number of protractors, I'm going to have twice as many rulers, 2 times T. Okay, back to my problem. The number of calculators she's planning on buying is 1/4 the number of protractors. Calculators is 1/4 the number of protractors. So I go back here and I'm going to have a calculator, and it's going to be 1/4 of T. So there it is. And then Mrs. Zentz buys 65 items. So I'm going to add all these items up. And when we add them all up, we get all of the rulers, which is 2T, plus all of the protractors, which is 1T, plus all of the calculators, which is 1/4 T. Okay, and now notice that I have a variable t in that term. This term has a variable t. This term also has a variable t, so I can add them all together. 2t plus 1t is 3t, and that's 3.25t. Is equal to the total, which is 65. And then we're going to isolate the t by dividing by 3.25. And when we do that, we get t all alone, which is what we want. And 65 divided by 3.25 is 20. So t is 20. That means the number of protractors is 20. The number of rulers is 2 times 20, so that's 40. And the number of calculators is 1/4 of 20. So 20 divided by 4, so that is 5 calculators. Okay? And that's it. You organize your information. You assign variables to stand for the amounts. Add them all up. Set them equal to the total amount of items. And use algebra to solve for the variable. Then plug it back in. Substitute into your original expressions, and you can find out how many was in each group. Okay? That is lesson 28. I hope that helps. I'll see you again next time.